On the top, we've got white guide, grip Excels, Federal Dan Lacey signature bars, 8.5 tall, 29 wide. Sunday Freeze top loader stem in white. Richie headset, Federal Lacey 21-inch top tube frame. Alienation rims on both back and front. Premium clubs. Fit fat on front 2.3. 2.1 on the back. Clap cranks, clap pedals, premium cranks, Federal light rocket with cutouts, that's nice. Total rock and roll seat, that's nice. And a blank chain.
Poppy cutting off these bitches like an episode of Nitsa. I guess I am the best man. I'm so sorry about the mix. I'm out of play. Pour out another bottle. Let's do it all today and worry about it all tomorrow. I do it all